to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
Opposites. Right side up. Upside down. 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 Right side up is the opposite of upside down. Upside down is the opposite of right side up. Now, right good fun! Han Solo Star Wars fun! Stormtrooper shake, shake, shake! Stormtrooper surprise! Great job!
School's out!
A+ good time! Learning is big fun! So click here for some more colorful learning adventures. Or click here for the fun lessons we love best. Click here and subscribe to join Big Mouth Academy.